The importance of the O, its shape, what it means to me, and some of the things it reminds me of. By Jizza, genius. First of all, the O represents a cipher, the numeral 0 or a thing or person of no importance. A perfectly round, plane figure consisting of 360 degrees, the line enclosing it. The length of this line is called the circumference, which is the line bounding a circle, a ball, etc. The planets in our solar system are spherical or round. Each one rotates on its own axis in a circular motion while orbiting around the sun in the same fashion. The sun, which is a star also, appears to be in the shape of a cipher or circle. It is the life force of each planet in the solar system. No living thing can survive without it, being that it supplies energy, heat, and gives off light. Even at a terrific speed of 186,000 miles per second, light travels in spirals or in a circular motion. Tornadoes, typhoons, and cyclones are violent circular storms. Each one is an atmospheric movement in which wind blows spirally round. The lens to a camera, binoculars, or telescope are all round. They are like eye, which is also round, enabling us to rotate or move it in any direction. The pupil of the eye is a round, dark opening in the center of the iris, which is also round. Even the cells in our body, which are microscopic units of living matter, are round. An O or circle sometimes reminds me of a piece of legally stamped metal used as money all over the world. This type of money is called a coin. When dealing with mathematics or numbers, the O represents 0 or nothing. But when you put it next to any other number, it multiplies that number by 10. When you remove the O, the number is divided by 10. It's the only number that has no value unless it stands next to another number. Quote, "Together we stand, and separated we fall," unquote. Think of the importance of the circular shape. Balls are round, which makes it easy for them to bounce and roll the way they do. If balls were not round and had corners, it would be hard to tell which direction they would go once they'd hit the ground, sort of like an American football does when it hits the ground. If balls, with the exception of the American football, were not round, most sports such as baseball, basketball, soccer, European football, would be difficult to play. Can you imagine playing pool with balls that were any other shape? The O or circular shape plays an important role in our lives. Imagine if tires were not round. The bicycle, car, roller skate, skateboard, baby strollers, or even horse carriage would probably not exist. If so, then traveling would be extremely difficult and uncomfortable. The steering wheel in most motor vehicles has a circular pattern similar to the Earth, which is a clock in itself. This is how we got 24 hours in a complete day. Even in the world of music, the circular shape plays an important role. From the vinyl records to the turntables we play them on, all round. From the compact disc that stores our music, the headphones we use to listen to the songs, the drums that holds the beat to the woofers in the speakers, they are round. VHS, cassette tapes, and film also play in circular motion.